In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users in Monday.com. Managing your team effectively is crucial to ensure streamlined communication and efficiency within your projects. So let's dive right into it. To start, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. This will open up a menu where you can select teams from the list of options presented. This is your gateway to manage users and monitor their statuses in your workspace. By doing this, you'll gain access to a comprehensive overview of all your team members, including current members, guests, and those who are still waiting to accept their invites. This page is like the control center for managing who has access to your workspace and in what capacity. If you need to broaden your team by inviting more individuals, simply click on the Invite Members button. You can then enter the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite. With Monday.com, it's essential to choose the right role for each new user. You can assign them as an admin, member, viewer, or guest. Remember, defining roles correctly ensures that everyone has the correct access and responsibilities. Admins have full access to all settings and boards. Members can create and edit boards they have access to. Viewers can see but not edit. And guests are typically external collaborators with limited access. Once your team is set up, you might find the need to adjust user roles as dynamics change. You can easily change a user's role by finding their name in the user list. There'll be a drop-down menu next to their current role. Click on that to switch their role between admin, member, viewer, or guest based on the evolving needs of your project. Keeping roles updated helps maintain a secure and organized environment, ensuring everyone has the appropriate level of access. There might also be times when you need to deactivate or remove a user from your workspace, and to do that, simply locate the three-dot menu next to the user's name. Clicking on this will give you two options: deactivate or delete. Choosing deactivate will retain the user's data and contribution history, only blocking their access. It's a good option if you think they might return in the future. On the other hand, delete will completely erase the user's presence from your files. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing users on Monday.com. These steps should help you effectively coordinate and manage your team, making collaboration smooth and keeping your projects on track. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Monday.com.